Good morning, friends. We are getting ready to go to San Francisco. It is the last day of our vacation pretty much. Tomorrow we'll be leaving really early. So yeah, we're about to go to San Francisco. Look how beautiful the sunrise is. So we're gonna go ahead and finish packing up, and then we're gonna take you guys along the San Francisco journey with us on our last day of Cali. Should be exciting, and we'll show you guys what we get into.
You learn as you get older. You must become a man one day. Put away childish things.
Guys, San Luis Obispo people are the best and the sweetest and the nicest people ever. This was voted one of the happiest towns or cities in America, and I believe it. We are in Goodwill, or we just left Goodwill, and I was buying a jacket and these two like little trinket things. They're like coconut monkeys, but they're just very like sentimental because my grandma used to have something like this, and it just reminds me of like Puerto Rico. So I wanted to buy them for her and maybe keep one for our house. And Arrow was buying a shirt because we're going to San Francisco and he needed a new shirt. So their cash register wasn't online and their cart machine was not working. So this lady asked us if I was sure, and I told her no, it's fine, that we'll just buy his stuff and then I'll just leave my stuff. And then he took some stuff out of his purchase, and then it ended up working out because I had enough cash to help him out with his cash. In any case, the lady gave me $20 to buy the rest of our stuff, and I was like, no, it's okay, it's fine, I can leave my stuff. And she insisted, and she put it in my hand. People are so nice here. I could live out here. It's beautiful. People are so sweet and just kind-hearted, and it was awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some gas. I'm just waiting for Ariel to get out the store, and then we're gonna head out to San Francisco. It's already 9:50, almost 10 o'clock, so we're gonna get there pretty late in the afternoon, but it should be fine. It'll be still daytime. We'll get some lunch, and then we'll do all the tourist things and explore, and then maybe get some dinner. And then tomorrow we're gonna leave really early, so this is probably like the last day of the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Now let's get into this road trip because we got a lot to do today.
For 231 miles, continue on El Camino Real North.
You gotta let your booze come on here too. You know I read it in a magazine. Uh-oh. The highway, I would run for the hills. It wasn't love, it was a perfect illusion. Just make believe. Oh, love. All that you got. Skin to skin. Oh my God, understand. 'Cause my heart stops beating triple times with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I'm coming out. I want the world to know. Got to let it show. I want a pizza. So we just made a quick pit stop to go to In-N-Out Burger because we're pretty hungry and I have to use the bathroom. So I looked up what they have for vegan options, basically a veggie salad burger and some fries. So I will show you guys what we eat after I go to the baño. just made it to San Francisco. Now let's see how many tourist things we can do in a couple of hours. So here we are at the Painted Ladies. Look how beautiful in all of their glory. There they are. We're at the Full House. There it is. Hey. Lombard Street. The Real World House. Tilt yourself. Like. Come to Golden Gate Park.